America is breaking apart. Not just in politics, but in our hearts. We feel the fracture. Headlines flash chaos. Protests and conflict fill our screens. We're more connected, yet further apart. We don't just need new policies, we need unity. We need genuine healing. 160 years ago, a man emerged from turmoil. He saw division and sought to mend it. Lincoln warned, "A house divided against itself cannot stand." Those words still echo. He led with compassion, meeting foes as friends. He listened before he judged. He called opponents fellow countrymen. In that word, he planted seeds of unity. Today, we shout across aisles, forgetting we share hopes and dreams. We're one people. Imagine extending a hand instead of building barriers. That is true courage. Healing begins with a single act, a kind word, a shared meal that sparks change. Lincoln believed in the better angels of our nature. We must let them lead again. Protect your community. Heal the divide. Lead with unity. This is your legacy.
Subscribe to 2-Minute Legacy for daily 2-minute lessons in history's wisdom and modern empathy deficit.